Hello, explorers. Welcome back to our wild adventure in the heart of the jungle. Today, we're on the lookout for some of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. Are you ready to join us on this exciting journey? Let's go. Shoo! Can you hear that? It sounds like we're getting closer to the home of the mischievous monkeys. Let's see if we can spot them swinging from tree to tree. Look at them go. Monkeys are excellent climbers and they love to play. They use their long tails to help them balance as they swing effortlessly from branch to branch. Isn't nature amazing? Now, let's be very quiet. We're approaching a watering hole where some of the jungle's most graceful creatures come to drink. Can you guess what it might be? It's the deer. These gentle creatures are known for their graceful movements and alert senses. They're always cautious, keeping an eye out for any signs of danger. Oh, how lovely they are. Look at the size of this tree. It's a favorite hangout spot for the majestic elephants. Let's see if we can catch a glimpse of them wandering nearby. Wow, look at the elephants. They're the largest land animals on Earth, known for their incredible memory and strong family bonds. See how they use their trunks to communicate and gather food. It's truly incredible. What an incredible adventure we've had today. We've encountered playful monkeys, graceful deer, and mighty elephants. Remember, every animal has a special place in our world, and it's up to us to protect and cherish their homes. Until next time, keep exploring and learning about the wonderful creatures that share our planet. See you soon, explorers.